Hey everyone and welcome back to another video, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect US Bank with the Robinhood app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your US Bank to the Robinhood app so that you can add more funds. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Robinhood app. Then click on the profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Next, click on the three lines on the upper left hand corner. Then click on Transfers. Next, click on Add Account, located on the bottom hand side. And then click on Bank Account. Now it's going to take a couple of seconds for Plaid to actually load. But what Plaid is that it connects your accounts in seconds, it keeps your data safe, and it also protects your accounts. Click on Continue on the bottom hand side. Next, click on Continue as Guest. Then from here, select US Bank. So what's going to happen next is that it's going to prompt you to log into US Bank so that you can select which checkings or savings accounts you want connected to Robinhood. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your US Bank account to the Robinhood app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.